Hey, good afternoon. Mike Ehrlich with MarineMax Pompano coming to you from beautiful Fort Lauderdale. Today I want to show you this 2014 Boston Whaler Dauntless 21. This is just a great boat for water sports, fishing, family cruising, whatever it is you want to do. This boat has some great options. You'll see the pad set up at the bow. There's also an extension piece that will make this an even larger sun pad. That will come with the boat. I just don't have it on here right now. It is kept inside in storage. See if we can jump across here without ending up in the drink. There we go. Some of the nice features of this Dauntless, if you do want to go fishing, up here forward of the console, you have a live well. You notice 6 vertical rod holders here, cup holders everywhere. Stainless steel 4-bow bimini top, black. It's got a little hole where the nav light will come through. There's your filler cushions for up front. You've got a leaning post here. The seat can go either way. It's got storage underneath. Fusion stereo, 2-zone. Garmin EchoMap 94 SV, chart plotter and fish finder, and here's a beautiful standard horizon VHF. Currently the boat has 296 hours on it. All fly-by-wire with the Verados, a new stainless steel helm. One of the unique features in the Dauntless is this cool back seat. Great seating when you're getting to the fishing grounds. Close it up, it becomes an awesome casting platform. You'll notice another 4 rod holders back here as well as cup holders. And there's your Verado 200 with the active midsection. You'll see a cord coming on the boat. There is a battery charging system on this boat and dual batteries with switch. Comes with the cooler that stores here under the helm seat. That's going to conclude our tour of this awesome 2014 Boston Whaler 21 Dauntless.